How to log out of Facebook Lite. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you want to log out from your Facebook Lite account, what you're simply going to do is first of all, launch the Facebook Lite application on your device. After you do that, in the top right corner of your screen, you can see a 3-bar option. Click on it. Then it'll take you to menu. From over here, what you're going to do is simply scroll to the bottom of the page, and then you can see the option which says Logout, which is on the end of the page over here. Just click on Logout. Now it will ask you if you want to save your password for the next time you log in, which means that it will save your password, and whenever you log into Facebook Lite and the next time, it will automatically write down your password and save it. So you can either select yes or no. After that, you will successfully be logged out of your Facebook Lite account. So this is how you can log out from your Facebook Lite. Thanks for watching the video till the end. Hope this video was informational and helpful, and see you in the next video.